do an intro?
Your name,
Just,
and then the name of the song
okay,
into the mic, and that's it. But you don't have to look at a camera.
okay. This is Papa Jack Couch with So Far, So Good. Who would have guessed it back there at the start that we would go so far together in our journey of the heart? There was so little that we understood, but down the years we traveled and over many miles, and everything that brought a heartache eventually brought a smile. Now we can say so far, so good. Well, sure, we had our problems every other day, and we questioned our directions more than once along the way. But we kept on moving as well as we could, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, with consistently poor timing and a constant lack of wealth. Still we can say so far, so good. So far, so good. It turned out better than your mama ever said that it would. So good, so far. We can write it in heaven and hang it on a star. 'Cause you know that nothing in this world could tear us apart. Our heads get separated, but we're joined at the heart. So far, so good. Must be going like the good Lord planned that it should. And now we face tomorrow, hand in hand, just like before. We grieve for dreams that died away, but we can dream some more. We may never make it to Hollywood, but now there are the children, joy and wonder of our eyes. We'll help them find their wings, and then we'll point them to the skies. And we will pray someday they can pause along their way, look back and be able to say so far, so good. So far, so good. It's going better than your mama ever dreamed that it would. So good, so far. We can write it in heaven and hang it on a star. 'Cause you know that nothing in this world could keep us apart. Our heads get separated, but we're joined at the heart. So far, so good. Might be going like the good Lord planned. It could be going like the good Lord planned. Must be going like the good Lord planned.